Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jig TV, ang Daddy ng Bayan. And for today's video, this is all about tutorials sa ating mga Live Good business partner. Yes, you heard it right. This is gonna be a tutorial kasi marami po tayong mga new business partner here in Live Good na kailangan po nilang ma-familiarize yung kanilang back office in order for us to do the business correctly and lahat ho mag-grow ang organizations and you can build your own empire here in Live Good. So, today, I'm gonna teach you how, I'm gonna show you kung paano tayo natin ina-navigate, no? Paano natin gamitin yung back office po natin. And para sa lahat ng ating mga new affiliate, it must within 48 hours, kailangan po ma-familiarize po natin, malaman natin kung ano yung mga functions ng ating back office. So, in here, punta ho tayo sa browser. I-type po natin itong www.livegood.com/login. So, and after that, using your username and password, i-login po natin yung ating account. So, ayan, si Daddy Jake TV and of course, my password is confidential. And login po natin. Okay? So, ngayon, ito po yung ating back office. So, iba-iba po ang laman yan na kailangan nyo pong ma-familiarize. May isa na po akong video na na-share. Lahat po ng informations na to ay i-discuss ko po. But for now, the intention of this video is for the affiliate, for the partners na gustong malaman paano ba mag-share ng landing page, saan ba makukuha yung landing page. So, pagka-login po natin here in our back office, punta po tayo dito sa ating My Website. Again, My Website. Ito po yun. I-click po natin to kahit gamit nyo po ang cellphone or laptop. You can, pare-pareho lang po ang pag-navigate po natin. Pare-pareho lang po ang function yan. In here, pagka-click nyo po ng My Website, meron po tayong tatlong website po dyan, which is the Live Good site na kung saan diniscuss na ho dito kung para saan po to. Again, this site is where you send people who are telling about our products and how they can save money as a member. It shows both the member pricing and the retail pricing. So people can choose if they want to become a member and save, or if they just want to pay the retail price for products. They can also join as an affiliate on this site. However, the main focus of this site is the products. Okay? So malinaw po tayo doon. Alin po yung ating kailangan i-send sa ating mga prospects? Ito po yun, Power Landing Page. This site is where you send people who are telling about our Power Line and business opportunity. From here, they can see the 5-minute video presentation and fill in their information to become a pre-enrollee in our system. Ito po yun. Paano gagawin? Ika-copy po natin yan. Ayan, i-copy po natin yan. Then full copy and copy link. Punta po tayo sa Facebook natin, sa Messenger ho natin. And you can choose sino po ba pwede nyo pong isend yan sa group, pwede nyo isend po yan sa mga friends, sa individual friends po natin. So in here, as you can see, nagpapadala ho tayo. Kunyari ito kay Evelyn Fuerte, nagpadala ho tayo. Ang ginagawa natin, mayroon ho tayong template na ganito. Why live good? Why live good? Ayan. So, may template ho yan na ginawa tayo para ho other information. And of course, here is my Live Good Tour. Ito po yung landing page. So, they can click it. Pag click po nila yan, magna-navigate po yan. Didiretso po yan sa akin landing page. So, makikita po, they can put in their number, full name, and the first name and the email address, and they can click reserve my possession. And naka-pre-enroll na po yan. Makikita ho natin yan dito naman po sa my referrals. Okay? So, makikita mo yan dito kung sino yung mga naka-pre-enroll. So, yan. So, ito yung mga per-follow up pa na naka-pre-enroll. Alright? So, yung mga naka-yes, ibig sabihin, they are all activated. So, okay, again, the intention of this video, the demonstrations of this is for the affiliate to know saan nakukuha yung ating landing page at paano natin to ipinapadala sa ating mga prospects. Okay? So, again, ganun lang po. Login po tayo sa back office po natin. Then, nandito na po tayo sa back office po natin. Punta po tayo dito sa my website. And ito po yung pinaka-importante. The Power Landing Page. Copy. Yan. Ang mas maganda po nito, my dear partners, if you have notepad on your mobile phone, kasi naka-ready na yan, copy paste ka na lang. Parang ako, I have here my Live Good. Ayan. So nandiyan na yan lahat. Copy paste na lang ako. So kina-copy paste ko na lang yan, even yung ating Zoom link, nandiyan na po yan lahat and all the templates. So yan po ang ginagawa po natin para mas mapabilis po tayo, hindi tayo hanap ng hanap. And also, meron din ho akong directory ng mga list ng mga pinadalhan po natin ng landing page po natin. Kasi once napadalhan po natin ito, tulad nito, once napadalhan po natin yan ng mga landing page natin, mamayang alas 4 ng hapon, ang ipapadala naman po natin sa kanila, of course, yung ating Zoom link. Yan. Araw-araw, kailangan nagpapadala po tayo ng at least 20 sa umaga, 20 sa hapon na landing page natin to as many as you can sa mga friends po natin, sa mga hindi natin kakilala, even sa group, para ho, they will know kung ano yung ginagawa po natin sa business po natin. And at the same time, pagkahapon, papadala natin sila ng Zoom link invitation kasi the moment they get into Zoom, automatically magpi-pre-enroll at maglalak-in po yan. And of course, guys, yung setup ng Facebook natin, I'm gonna make other videos for that. Salamat, and once again, this is Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Chick TV, ang daddy ng bayan. Thank you and God bless everyone.